obj save. Okay, whenever you want to perform a save. So my requirement is, suppose this is PRBC UI and this is the physical table, some table. Let's say we have customer data available, right, in the UI. This is customer table. Let's say, imagine I have created a table called customer with the columns of first name, last name, age, gender, state, city, zip code, all this. Okay, let's say your customer table has columns, cust ID, first name, last name, all this. Okay, like this, a number of columns are there in the customer table. So this is UI, this is PRBC UI, and here you have, what is that, form. What is the form? Customer details form. In this form you have fields to enter: first name, last name, age, gender, and so on. Okay, like this. Customer ID field will be there. Customer ID will you be entering? Suppose if you are creating a new customer, are you going to enter customer ID? Customer
No.
ID should be generated somehow and then getting saved into table. We'll see that later. Now let me ask you some of the questions. In between you have what? Between database and PRBC UI, what is there? This
Board.
is clipboard. Now whenever you are going to access this form, assignment form, and here you submit the data in this form, you are going to submit, right? You perform a submit. So once you submit, what happens? The data will go to clipboard, right? It will go to clipboard or not? This is submit action you have performed. Once you submit, data will go to clipboard. On the clipboard, it will be posted to some page. Can you tell me what, as per the design what we have implemented already, can you tell me what is the page on which data is getting posted? PY work page. PY work page, should it refer to a class? PY work page referring to which class?
List.
Class.
PY work page referring to work class.
Work
In
class.
short, I am writing work class. Is it referring to work class or not? Now, this data is getting stored into work table that you already know. But leave out work table. My requirement is, apart from work table, I want to store this data in a dedicated table. If this is the requirement, you need to go ahead and write an activity using obj save method. Okay, now this is your table. Table will have a class mapped in PRBC. Will have or not? STFM
Yes.
data. Let's say, I'm sorry. STFM data. Let's say it is customer. This is the class. Okay. Now customer class is mapped to customer table. Now data which I have submitted is available on PY work page. Look at here. If I am going to create an activity in order to save the data into the other table, customer table, the approach is technical. I'm sorry, technical activity. So I need to perform an obj save. Obj save. Does obj save has any table names and all? Like obj browse, you're browsing, it is asking for the table class name, where to fetch the data from, right? Obj save, is it asking for any table class and all, where to save? It is not asking. What you have to do is, you have to go to pages and classes tab. You define a page. Let's say X page XYZ. It can be any name. XYZ page referring to table class. What is the table class? STFM data customer is the table in which I want to store the data into which. So for that table class, I have defined a page. I'll come to here and add a new step. And here first I'll make sure that this page is created. What is the method to create a page? Page new, and in the step page you have to choose that page XYZ. Page will be created, empty page. This page will refer to which class? Data customer. After this, I have to make sure that data should be copied to this page. Property set XYZ, and I want to assign the data to XYZ page. XYZ dot cust ID is equal to, what is the UI page? Work page, PY work page dot. Let's say we have cust ID on that one, like PY ID. What is PY ID? You know what is PY ID? work object ID will be assigned to this property. So xyz dot f name is equal to, let's say, py work page dot first name. Like this n number, like xyz dot again last name is equal to py work page dot last name. Okay, like this you're going to assign all the properties. Now with the execution of second step, what happens? The data which is submitted to py work page is getting assigned to table related page and their properties. Okay, after that I need to do obj save, and once after you do obj save, here you need to mention the step page. Click the down arrow and choose xyz. Now the data gets stored into customer table. Now the data gets stored into, if you execute this, data is going to get stored into customer table. But did I mention any table class name here to store the data? I didn't mention directly. Like obj browse, you have table class name being mentioned to fetch the data from. Unlike that, here I did not mention any table class name, right? So then how come the data gets stored into table? Exactly this, with the execution of this step, data will store into customer table only. How? Now, how that is going to be identified? Tell me step by step.
From the page name, it will take the
Pages and classes is mentioned.
Yeah, it will look up a reference class of this page. What is the reference class of this page? Customer. From the customer class, it will resolve this class name into table name. How it is going to resolve? It should know physical table name, right? How the class name will be resolved into physical table name? By the mapping rule. It will read the mapping rule. From the mapping rule, it is going to read the physical table name and store the data into physical table. So that means diagrammatically, if I want to show this, after this this is done, work page, the data is available on work page, and from work page you have to assign the data to which page? Table page. Generically I am writing, okay, that is customer class, right? You have to assign the data to table page using property set or something. Like here you go, this is table page, refers to which class? Table class, refers to table class. Now data here. After this, what should I do? I have to just go ahead and do obj save. So you have to go ahead and do obj save and table page. Once you do this, data will get stored into customer table. So this is how you need to implement, create an activity and then write your steps in the activity to store into some dedicated table. It's not only this table. Any table, if you want to store the data into that, you need to make sure one page has to be created referring to the table class, and then you need to get the data from somewhere. It is not only work page always, it can be from anywhere. From anywhere you need to get some data onto the table page and then do an obj save of table page. So let me write down the same. Let me give this diagram. So now if we want to insert or update anything or update data into any dedicated table, steps are, what are the steps? What is the first step? Make sure define a page referring to table class. Make sure you define a page referring to table class. Next, create this page by using page new method and all. Next, get the data assigned this page here in the sense table page. Make sure you define a page referring to table class, create table page, get the data assigned onto table page, and next is obj save of table page. With this, data gets inserted or updated into the respective table. Data gets inserted or updated into the respective table. So the page name gets resolved into physical table name. How? From the page it will identify the reference class, from the obj save step page, that is table page, step page, what you mentioned in the step page, it is going to identify the page reference class. That is the first step. Okay, what is the next step? From the class, PRPC identifies physical table. How come? By reading the database table mapping rule. Then it inserts, it stores data to physical table. This is what going to happen when the page name is mentioned in the OBJ. Okay, so these are the general steps that you need to follow. Always, it is not only one table. Any table you want to store the data, make sure you have a page created for the table and get the data onto the table somehow, and then do an OBJ save of the do an OBJ save mentioning the table page in the step page of OBJ save method. This is clear, everyone? These are the steps which we need to work on. This is what we are going to work on. Yeah, what is the question? No, this is for OBJ save is for insert or update. While doing insert, it will identify with this key, whatever that you are passing, key is already there in the table or not. If key is there, it will act as an update operation. Key is not there, it will act as an insert operation. So before it generates insert or update query, it will perform again a search internally. Key is there, which you are passing on this page. Key is there, it will generate update query. Key is not there, it will generate insert query. Like that internally it goes. Okay, this is clear.